The hardest moment for a man is when he feels like he's slipping through her hands. It's not a sudden breakup or a loud argument, it's quieter than that. It's the texts that start coming slower, the calls that used to light up your phone that now stop without warning, the warmth in her voice that suddenly feels cold. And in that silence, in that distance, your mind starts racing. You replay every moment, every laugh, every word, and you begin to pick apart your own mistakes as if you can trace the exact second when things started to fall apart. That feeling of losing her is like carrying a weight in your chest you can't shake off. It feels like everything you built is crumbling, and the more you think about it, the more desperate you become to fix it. Most men panic here. They reach out too much, they beg for answers, they try to buy back affection with desperate words. They think if they explain themselves enough, if they show her how much she means, maybe she'll come back. But all that energy does the opposite. It smothers her. What feels like an act of love in your heart registers as neediness in her mind. And that's where the trap is. Because the truth is, you haven't lost her, not yet. Women rarely walk away the first time they step back. That silence, that sudden shift, it's often not a goodbye but a test. She's not just pulling away to end things, she's pulling back to see how you'll respond, to see if the strength you showed at the beginning was real or just an act. And if you panic here, if you let that fear drive you, that's when you truly lose her. When she begins to pull back, most men immediately assume it's the end. They think her silence means she's already gone, that her distance is proof she's lost interest. But in reality, what often feels like rejection is actually a test. A woman's instinct tells her to retreat at times, not because she no longer cares, but because she needs to measure the man in front of her. She wants to see if your strength is real or if it was just a mask you wore when things were easy. Anyone can look composed when love feels effortless and attention is overflowing. But who are you when the warmth fades? Who are you when she suddenly grows quiet? That's what she wants to know. Her silence is not always punishment, it's a probe. She is stepping back to watch, to study, to test your frame without saying a word. Will you start chasing like every other man she has ever known? Will you drown her with texts, beg for clarity, or collapse into emotional chaos the moment you sense her slipping? If you do, her doubts are confirmed. She'll see that your strength was temporary, that it only existed when she was pouring herself into you. But if you hold steady, if you remain calm, patient, and focused, then her retreat changes meaning. It's no longer the beginning of the end. It becomes the beginning of her respect. Because women are not drawn to men who crumble under silence. They are drawn to men who stay grounded even when affection shifts. And that's the test most men fail to see. Her pulling back is not finality, it's the silent battlefield where attraction is either destroyed forever or reborn stronger than before. A woman's attraction isn't anchored in how much you chase her when she pulls away. It's rooted in how steady you remain when she tests your foundation. Most men, the moment they sense distance, slip into panic mode. They start sending long messages, demanding reassurance, trying to explain themselves, or offering gifts and apologies for things they didn't even do. They believe that proving love means filling the silence, but in reality, that's the quickest way to lose her respect. What she's really watching for in those moments is your stillness. She wants to see if you can stay calm when her warmth fades, if you can remain centered when her affection isn't obvious. Because anyone can look confident when she's showering you with love, but confidence only matters when it survives her withdrawal. That's when she can truly feel it. Women live in a world of feelings, and the one thing that cuts through all of their doubt is the presence of a man who refuses to be moved by their emotional storms. Your calmness is not about ignoring her or pretending not to care. It's about showing, without words, that you're not dependent on her moods to hold your ground. It's the difference between being a man who was fueled by her attention and being a man who was fueled by his own mission and identity. That stillness sends her a message no words could match: you are whole without her, steady even when she retreats. And paradoxically, the less you chase her in those moments, the more she feels drawn back to you. True strength in a man isn't proven when things are easy. It's revealed in silence, in distance, and in how unshaken he remains when tested. When a woman grows distant, it often feels like she's slipping away for good, but in most cases, her silence is guided by instinct, not by finality. She doesn't always retreat because she's done loving you. She retreats because something in her nature tells her to step back, to question, to feel if your strength is solid when her affection is not there to hold you up. Women don't think about this consciously most of the time. It happens deep in their wiring. One moment she's close, the next she needs space, and in that space, she is not only protecting herself but also watching you. If you panic, her doubts harden. She thinks, if he can't handle a little distance, how can he handle the storms of life? But if you stay calm, if you move with patience, her instincts begin to soften. What felt like rejection turns into reassurance, because she sees you don't need her validation to stay grounded. This is where most men misread the situation. They see silence and assume it's abandonment. They feel her pull back and believe it's betrayal. But more often, it's not that at all, it's instinctual protection. She is retreating into herself to process, to reflect, and to test the man she's with without speaking a word. The truth is, attraction is often built in these moments of distance, not destroyed. Because when she feels you won't collapse, when she sees you remain steady, she feels safer. Her trust grows. Her respect grows. And attraction deepens. What feels like the end to you is often just the battlefield where her instinct decides whether you are the man she can truly follow or just another man who crumbles when tested. Many men believe a woman's attraction is secured during the good times, when she's affectionate, when she's texting constantly, when everything feels effortless. But the truth is, respect and attraction are often forged in the moments when she goes cold. Women rarely remember what you did when they were warm, but they never forget what you didn't do when they pulled away. This is where most men fail without realizing it. When she grows distant, they smother her with attention, desperate texts, long explanations, or emotional outbursts. They believe this will pull her back, but it only pushes her further away. What she's looking for in those moments isn't more effort, it's steadiness. She wants to see if your frame can hold when her affection disappears. When she withdraws and you don't chase, when you allow her silence to exist without trying to crush it with your words, something powerful happens inside her. She starts to notice that you're not like the rest. Most men collapse into neediness when faced with distance, but the rare man stands calm, patient, and focused on his own mission. That silence speaks louder than anything you could say. It tells her, I don't need to beg for your attention. I don't fear losing you. I'm whole on my own. And paradoxically, it's that very calmness that draws her respect back to you. Respect is the foundation of real attraction, deeper than fleeting emotions. When she realizes you won't sacrifice your dignity to keep her close, she sees you as the man she cannot control, and that loss of control is what ignites her desire. In the quiet moments when you do nothing, you often do more than any desperate effort ever could.
When you think you've lost her, you stand at a crossroad that will define not just the relationship, but your own growth as a man. On one side lies weakness, the path most men stumble down. It's the road of desperation, begging for her attention, apologizing for things you didn't even do wrong, offering promises without understanding what's really happening. It's the road where you shrink yourself, hoping to buy back her affection by showing her how much you need her. That path only destroys respect, because no woman is drawn to a man who collapses under pressure. On the other side is strength, the harder road that only a few men take. This is where you resist the urge to chase. You don't drown her in messages or explanations. You let her distance exist without rushing to fill the void. Instead, you sit with the silence even when it burns. You allow the absence to become your training ground. In that quiet, you find yourself again. You remember the mission, the goals, and the identity you had before her presence consumed your focus. The pain of her withdrawal becomes fuel, pushing you to sharpen your discipline and deepen your strength. That is the paradox most men miss. The silence that feels unbearable is actually an invitation to grow. And in that growth, two outcomes emerge. Either she comes back, drawn to the man who didn't break, or she doesn't, and you're still stronger, wiser, and more grounded than before. At that crossroad, you are never truly losing her. You are being given a chance to choose. Collapse into weakness like the majority, or rise into strength and prove that your value was never dependent on her affection in the first place.
Her silence is not always punishment, and it is not always the end. More often, it is a mirror being held up to you, reflecting back the truth of who you are when no one is feeding you validation. When a woman pulls away, she exposes the parts of you that are either strong or weak. If you are insecure, you'll see it immediately in your reaction. You'll chase, you'll beg, you'll overthink every word and action, rewriting the past in your mind to find what you did wrong. That's weakness revealed. But if you are grounded, her distance shows that too. You'll stand tall, you'll stay calm, and you won't betray yourself for the sake of pulling her back. That's strength revealed. Most men hate this silence because it feels unbearable, but in reality it's a test disguised as emptiness. It's showing you whether you can survive without her constant reassurance. And that is what women want to know at their core. Can you hold steady when the storm comes? Can you remain a man when affection disappears? Most men fail this test because they let her silence unravel them. They collapse into weakness, and once that respect is lost, it is nearly impossible to win it back. But the man who embraces the silence, who uses it as a mirror to strengthen himself, never truly loses. Because if she returns, it is with more respect than before. And if she doesn't, he has still gained by proving to himself that he doesn't need her presence to remain whole. Her silence doesn't define your worth, it reveals it. And once you learn to hold steady in that reflection, you become unshakable in ways no distance can destroy.
The great paradox of distance is that it doesn't always mean the end. More often, it's a quiet question being asked. Do you love yourself without her? Many men crumble at this point because they built their entire sense of worth around her attention. When she steps back, they feel empty, as if their value disappeared with her affection. That's why they panic, why they beg, why they chase. But the man who remains calm, who keeps moving forward, proves something rare. He shows that his life has purpose beyond her moods. And that is what pulls a woman's respect like a magnet. Women are instinctively drawn to men who do not collapse when affection is withdrawn, because it signals strength. It signals leadership. It tells her that even if she walks away, your mission doesn't stop. That is freedom, the freedom of masculine power. In that place, you stop fearing loss because you understand you can never truly lose what doesn't define you. Her silence becomes space for you to sharpen your focus, for you to rediscover who you are, for you to build without distraction. If she comes back, she returns to a stronger man than before. If she doesn't, you are still ahead, because you used the test to grow rather than break. Either way, you win. And that is the truth most men never realize. The moment you think you lost her is often the exact moment you begin to find yourself again. Attraction may bring her close, but respect keeps her there, and respect is born when she sees you are whole without her. The man who does not break in silence, who does not panic in absence, is the man no woman forgets.